Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Tide Pods Downy is probably one of the most anticipated laundry innovations, combining the powerful cleaning of Tide with the signature softness and fresh scent of Downy, promising a revolutionary way to tackle your laundry day woes and leave your clothes feeling exceptionally clean and incredibly soft, all within a convenient, pre-measured pod that dissolves completely in your wash. Number 5. Tide Pods with Downy, April Fresh, 61 count. Introducing Tide Pods with Downy. It cleans and conditions your clothes in just one step, helping to protect them from stretching and fading. Enjoy the signature April Fresh scent that leaves your laundry outstandingly fresh. It's the perfect way to keep your clothes smelling great. Each pack is a powerful 4-in-1 solution. It includes detergent, a stain remover, a brightener, and Downy Fabric Protect technology. The special film now dissolves even better in both hot and cold water. This ensures a thorough clean every time. Formulated with quick-collapsing smart suds, it targets tough stains effectively. It works great in both HE and standard washing machines. Using them is simple. Use 1 pack for small to medium loads, 2 for large loads, and 3 for extra large loads. What we like? This product offers a complete laundry solution, combining detergent, stain removal, brightening, and fabric protection. If you're looking for an all-in-one product that simplifies your laundry routine and keeps your clothes looking newer for longer, this is the one. It's perfect for busy individuals who want effective cleaning and fabric care in a single step. What people say. These little wonders are the secret to transforming your laundry routine into a magical affair. With the power of Tide's cleaning prowess and the irresistible scent of Downy, your clothes emerge from the wash with a newfound brilliance and a touch of heavenly softness. The convenience of these Tide Pods is simply unrivaled. Just toss one in, and let the enchantment begin. No measuring, no mess, just pure laundry bliss. The pods dissolve effortlessly, releasing their extraordinary cleaning powers that obliterate stains and leave your garments looking as good as new. The infusion of Downy fabric softener takes your laundry game to the next level. Say goodbye to rough fabrics and hello to a realm of luxurious softness. Your clothes will caress your skin like a gentle embrace, making you feel like you're wrapped in a cloud of pure comfort. Number 4. Tide Pods Plus Downy HE Turbo Laundry Detergent Packs. Introducing Tide Pods Plus Downy, the revolutionary laundry detergent that combines powerful cleaning with fabric care. Experience a new level of clean and protection for your clothes. Simplify your laundry routine. These innovative pods clean and condition your fabrics in a single, effortless step. Get brilliantly clean clothes with added softness. Don't let the wash cycle damage your favorite garments. Our unique formula actively protects your clothes, keeping them looking newer for longer. Enjoy lasting quality and vibrancy. Discover the power of 4-in-1 technology. It's more than just detergent, it's a stain remover, brightener, and Downy fabric protector all in one convenient pack. Achieve exceptional results with every load. Designed for versatility, these laundry packs dissolve completely in both hot and cold water. This ensures a thorough clean and prevents residue, no matter your washing preference. What we like? This option is specifically designed for high-efficiency, HE washing machines, ensuring optimal performance and care for your garments. If you own an HE washer and want to maintain the quality of your clothes while achieving a deep clean, consider this. It's ideal for those who prioritize both cleaning power and fabric longevity in their laundry. What people say. These pods offer the ultimate convenience, just pop one in the washer, and you're good to go. The combination of Tide detergent and Downy fabric softener leaves our clothes smelling amazing and feeling incredibly soft. The pods dissolve effortlessly, releasing their extraordinary cleaning powers that obliterate stains and leave your garments looking as good as new. Say goodbye to rough fabrics and hello to a realm of luxurious softness. Your clothes will caress your skin like a gentle embrace, making you feel like you're wrapped in a cloud of pure comfort. Number 3. Tide to Go Instant Stain Remover, 3-pack. Life's messy moments don't wait. That's why Tide to Go is your perfect on-the-go companion. Keep one in your car, purse, or desk for instant stain emergencies. Don't let spills ruin your day. This powerful stain remover works instantly on common food and drink stains. It's designed to be tough on stains but gentle on fabrics. Its compact design makes it easy to carry wherever you go. No water needed, just rub and go. It's the ultimate solution for quick touch-ups. Worry less about damaging your clothes. This stain remover is safe to use on a wide variety of fabrics. Always test in an inconspicuous area first. This convenient pack of 3 ensures you're always prepared. Stock up and make sure you have one wherever stains might strike. It's a smart choice for busy lifestyles. What we like. This is your go-to solution for tackling unexpected stains on the go. If you frequently encounter spills and need a quick, effective way to remove them without a full wash, this product is essential. It's perfect for keeping in your purse, car, or office for immediate stain emergencies. What people say. These are great, work perfectly, and I always take one on vacation, perfect for travel. Its compact size makes it convenient to carry in my bag or purse, ensuring that I have it handy whenever I need it. The application is simple and mess-free, allowing me to target the stain directly and treat it immediately. Number 2. Tide Pods 4-in-1 with Downy. Introducing Tide Pods 4-in-1 with Downy. It cleans and conditions your clothes in a single step, protecting them from stretching and fading. Enjoy the signature April fresh scent that leaves your laundry smelling outstandingly fresh. It's the scent you know and love. Trust the laundry detergent brand that America relies on. Tide is consistently rated as the #1 trusted laundry detergent. Each pod is a powerful 4-in-1 solution. It contains detergent, a stain remover, a brightener, and Downy Fabric Protect technology. Our new special film dissolves even better in all water temperatures. Experience a superior clean in both hot and cold water. Keep your clothes looking their best. This laundry detergent helps protect fabrics from stretching and fading with every wash. What we like. For households that do a lot of laundry, this larger count offers great value and convenience. If you're looking for the most economical option that still provides the comprehensive cleaning and fabric care of Tide Pods with Downy, this is your best bet. It ensures you're always stocked up for your family's laundry needs. What people say. The scent is amazing, it leaves clothes smelling fresh and clean for a long time. These pods are incredibly convenient to use, just toss one in the wash and go. They dissolve completely in the wash, leaving no residue on clothes or in the machine. Number 1. Tide Pods Plus Downy April Fresh Laundry Detergent. Introducing Tide Pods Plus Downy, the ultimate laundry solution. It cleans and conditions your clothes in just one step. This innovative product not only cleans your fabrics but also conditions them, leaving them soft and fresh. It goes beyond cleaning to actively protect your clothes from damage during the wash cycle. Experience the power of 4-in-1 technology, detergent, stain remover, brightener, and Downy fabric protection all in one pack. Our laundry packs are designed to dissolve completely in both hot and cold water for a perfect clean every time. What we like. This smaller pack is perfect for individuals, couples, or those with limited laundry needs who still want the premium benefits of Tide Pods with Downy. If you're looking for a convenient, space-saving option that delivers excellent cleaning and fabric conditioning, this is a great choice. It's ideal for smaller households or for trying out the product. What people say. These pods offer the ultimate convenience, just pop one in the washer, and you're good to go. The combination of Tide detergent and Downy fabric softener leaves our clothes smelling amazing and feeling incredibly soft. Even tough stains are no match for the cleaning power of these pods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.